Alright, welcome to Mr. Nelson's YouTube video. On this one, this is just going to be a homework help. Okay, in class today we went over order of operations. Okay, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division left to right, addition, subtraction left to right. We took some notes over this. We did a few problems in our ice cream cones on the back of your homework paper. And we also did some prime factorization. Okay. All right. If you need help with prime factorization, there's a nice little website called mathplayground.com, how to prime factorization.html. So if you struggle with that in the warm-up, it is on your homework sheet to show you those. Okay. Now on our homework sheet, it looks like this. Okay. It's basically just half of one of the sides that we worked on in class today. Now, on here we've got 6 questions. I'm going to tell you the answers to these questions. That way you know if you are doing your order of operations correctly or not. Just like on the back when you had those ice cream cones, it told you the answer at the end, so you knew if you're doing the order of operations correct or not. I would say for all of these, I would write down PEMDAS and make sure that I follow it. Okay? Or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. However you want to remember it, okay? Alright, on number 1, you should get 18. Number 2, you should get 6. Number 3, you should get -1. Number 4, you should get 9.5. Number 5, you should get 22. Number 6, you should get 70. Remember, you also need to remember same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. That's for integers when you're adding and subtracting integers, okay? Alright, other than that, you should be able to do fine on this part. Remember to follow PEMDAS, okay? Remember that when you have that line, it means division. Remember that 3 to the 3rd power is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So that's the answer to 3 to the 3rd power. Okay, that's what we talked about today in class. Again, if you need help on prime factorization, there's a nice little website on this paper that was given to you in class today that you can look at that. If you want a little bit of extra credit, on the other side there were 4 other questions. You can do those 4 for some extra credit. And then in class today you should have finished at least 3 of the ice cream scoops, if not more. If you finish all of the ice cream scoops on the back, I'll give you extra credit as well. So all in all, there we had at least 3 to 4 that we should have done in class on the ice cream scoops. You have 6 for homework. You have the possibility of getting extra credit if you do all the ice cream scoops and the 4 under where we did our warm-up of prime factorization. Okay?